I go to your house and take your windows. Does that mean you're poor because you don't have windows? No! Some shithead took it!
So I brought a lock, and if I close it anywhere, you can't open it until tomorrow.
Why?
I think next week, because I didn't bring the fucking keys. So like,
Okay, we'll see what happens.
I don't know where to put it. Maybe.
Don't put it on me! Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, we're in a forest. Nico replied to my story. He wants to see a forest. I don't know what the hell is wrong with him.
He lives in the forest.
Oh. They always get bitten by snakes. So, but they don't remember what the snake looks like. So the commander said, okay, next time you get bitten, you bring the snake back so we can find the antidote for you. Sounds fair enough, right? So there's this one guy. I don't know why he didn't bother to kill the snake. He just bring back the whole live snake. So while he was coming back, the snake keeps biting him.
That's so stupid.
I don't know if he died or something, but they got new rules. When you bring back the snake, you must be dead.
Huh? Then why do you need that to do?
No,
Because you need to identify the exact snake for the.
Yeah. They just need to look at what the snake is. Yeah. The guy is so dumb, he just bring it back. It's funny.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
I brought the snake back.
Remember the rules?
Now we're greeted by chickens. Yes! Nice. And it has music. What the hell?
This isn't your everyday hot springs. This is a modern hot springs.
Modern my ass. How this is modern?
Because it has music. That's hot.
I can talk properly if my face is not showing. So I'm here with Kai and Rickson and Soraya at Annah Rais Hotspring. Okay. So later on, he's gonna be the model. I know it's boring, but he's gonna be the model again. And gonna teach her and him how to video shoot, and we'll see how it goes. Great! You thought going to a new area you don't have to deal with shit like this. Oh my god, it's cold! Ow! Damn! The Sheltons taking picture of Kai. Boss at his work. Soraya's helping out. We're doing the B-roll. There's not much people here, so it kind of makes it easy to take a lot of shots. Great. Take the phone.
And you show me coming up.
After you put in your feet will be itchy today.
Like my feet, it's red now.
Later you try to go.
Holiday.
Later you try to go there.
Let's
Thank you.
fucking go.
Later.
Squirtle.
Squirtle, 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 squirtle.
Oh, bizarre!
Like, that's disturbing.
Listen. Yo, is it shaking? Oh shit, sorry!
Everyone needs to do a meeting call.
Stop!
Everyone needs to do a meeting call.
Keeping a straight face.
Yo guys, did you see that?
What's that?
What the hell?
Was that dead body?
Okay,
What was that?
where'd it go?
No, I swear it was just.
Where did it go?
It was just there.
Dai summons Rikusan. I am your master. Kill me. Kill me. Ah!
Do you have an Instagram?
Go faster. I think you said something, but I didn't hear.
What?
Great, look. We're going back at almost the same time. I think it's 3 a.m. And it's just it's a reference, you dumbass.
Okay.
Okay, and it's about to rain. Same story, different people. Ho ho. You know my motto is different story, but I never tried. Yeah, but then I never tried like put effort to make different stories. I mean I did. Yes, vlog 2. Pinis.
Where are we going?
Pinis.
Rory?
Do 2. Okay, do 2.
Yes.
Do 2. Yes. Nice. It's the same car as well. Okay, you guys can see it in the first vlog, but it's the same car.
Stick inside.